Hello from the Whitworth University Admissions Office. My name is Quincy McCune. Thanks for taking the time to learn about our institution so you can better serve your students in the college admissions process. Let's get started. Whitworth is and has been a test-optional school for 13 years. This increases access and removes barriers for students who have what it takes to succeed at Whitworth. Students with transcripts from accredited high school or college courses, like Running Start, have the option to submit test scores with their application. A letter of recommendation is optional but not required to complete the Whitworth app. Students can apply for free through either the Whitworth application or the Common App. Whitworth offers 2 early action deadlines, November 15th and January 15th. Students who apply early action will receive an earlier admissions decision and financial aid offer. Admitted students who deposit have the opportunity for priority consideration in housing and class registration. Whitworth's regular decision deadline is March 1st. Whitworth offers a variety of scholarships for students, including a university scholarship ranging from $12,000 to $25,000 per year based on high school GPA and personal factors, excluding test scores. They are renewable for 4 years. We also offer a $3,000 campus housing grant, which is given to first-year students living on campus to help cover tuition. A $1,000 visit scholarship for students who attend a qualifying visit program. A Whitworth-bound promise. Students from the state of Washington who meet all requirements for the college-bound scholarship and have a 3.25 cumulative weighted high school GPA will receive the Whitworth-bound promise, which covers 100% of Whitworth tuition. We also have a variety of talent scholarships in art, forensics, speech and debate, media, music, theater, and young life. And of course, other resources that range from $1,000 to full tuition. Learn more at whitworth.edu/undergraduate aid. Whitworth is committed to providing resources to support students who come from diverse backgrounds and has seen our enrollment of students from underrepresented racial and ethnic and first-generation backgrounds more than double to 700+ students, more than a third of our student body in the past decade. Our multicultural visit program is designed for historically underrepresented and first-generation students to engage with our campus community and resources. Whitworth provides additional resources to support students, including the Bucks Bridge program, which is designed to help first-generation and underrepresented students transition to college. The Student Success Team that helps students navigate the academic, social, and mental challenges in college. Cultural diversity advocates, and more. Whitworth is preparing to resume in-person campus visits with appropriate health and safety protocols. In the meantime, we will continue to offer virtual visits and prepare for expanded in-person visit events as circumstances allow. Learn more about our visits at whitworth.edu/visit. Thanks again for taking the time to learn more about Whitworth. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Contact admissions@whitworth.edu or 509-777-4786. We look forward to hearing from you. Go Pirates!